Hi, my name is Kyle Wagner, and I'm a project-based learning coach. I'm a co-learning experience designer, and I help schools and teachers specifically move from a teacher-led to a student-centered environment.
I think what really you kind of honed in on was giving them structure, allowing them to design their own over time. It's not just about doing it while you're here.
Yeah, and one of the things I tell everyone is I can teach project-based design in a 1-2 day workshop, but the mindset to really let go and let learners be in charge of their learning, that really takes years to develop. And as you mentioned, hopefully they're going to take this approach of design and implement it many times, because I'll tell you, I'm a project-based teacher. It took me 3 years to be able to say, okay, I really feel like I get it and I'm comfortable with letting students take charge.